I look like crap and it's cold and we're late to our first appointment.
Not because of me.
Yes, I woke up at 8 in the morning. Our appointment's at 9:45. I woke up at 8:30, took a shower, got ready, everything. But we're on our way to my first OBGYN appointment, and I'm really excited and I'm really nervous because I've never like gone through this before, so yeah.
Well, at least we get to see our baby.
I know.
We're gonna see our baby.
Do you really think that the timeline that they gave us at the last place is right?
I think so. I mean, when they do a sonogram, I'm pretty sure it's accurate, right?
Yeah, well, she was like, yeah, it looks about 9 weeks. What if I'm like more? What if I'm already like 14 weeks?
No, well, that was weeks ago when we found out. Right now, you're what, 12?
Yeah.
So right now, you're 12 as of...
That's what I'm saying. Like, what if when she said I was 9 weeks, I was actually like 10 weeks?
Looks like we're about to find out.
Yeah.
Guys, leave a comment real quick right now. What do you guys think she is? Do you think she's 12, 13, 14 weeks? I think this sonogram was pretty accurate. I think she's 12 weeks in a few days, going on 13 weeks. So we'll see. Leave a comment of what you guys think, and we'll find out.
I'm so nervous.
I'm
so nervous.
Holding your hand.
I look like crap. Sorry, guys.
Hopefully they let us record the sonogram, because the last place they didn't when we did our first one. But that really wasn't like official. That really wasn't an official appointment.
Yeah, so let us explain. Okay, so when I finally told my mom that I was pregnant, we waited like what, like 2 weeks? 2 weeks to tell my mom. Just because I didn't know how I wanted to tell her and I was like really nervous. So we told my mom, and like the day we told my mom, she was like on it. Like she went into like grandma mode, and she's like, we need to get you into the doctors. We need you to get a sonogram so we can check on the baby, all this stuff. We need to find out how far along you are, all this stuff. So the only place that we could find that would do a sonogram is this clinic in Waco. So we drove all the way to Waco, which was like 3 hours, right? A 3-hour drive back and forth.
We went to that one place first, remember?
Oh yeah, we went to a different clinic that scheduled me in, and then we showed up there.
And they decided to take the day off.
Yeah, and it was literally closed. I was like, why would you schedule me when you're gonna be closed? I was so mad. Like my mom was really, really mad. I'm actually glad because the clinic in Waco was really like friendly, and I felt really safe there, and you know, they kind of like washed all my nerves away. And so we went and they did a sonogram. But that's all they like kind of did. They kind of just like showed me some paperwork and all that, and then they did a sonogram, and they were like, okay, you're about 9 weeks. Yeah.
I always talking crap. Because of you?
No, because of you.
Alright guys, we're here. Let's see if I can sneak some video.
Being an adult is so hard. Why can't I just show up to the doctor and just show up and get it done?
But she will explain it to you more, okay?
Okay.
More in details. Taking your temperature.
Alright guys, so we're here. We just found out that Brittany has to, what, do 9 tubes of blood?
9 tubes of blood. 9 tubes of blood. I thought it was 9 shots at first. I was like, what? I'm terrified of needles. Like, I fainted the last time I got a shot, so...
But at least they're letting us, like, because we haven't eaten yet, so they're going to let us go get her some food and then make sure she's good before that, because I don't want her to pass out. She's anemic, so...
I don't want to do it.
I don't want to do it. I'll be here with you. I feel so bad.
9 tubes of blood?
That's a lot.
That's a lot of blood.
But I'm going to be holding your hand.
That's like all my blood. You're trying to take all my blood.
I'm not.
Who are they feeding? Vampires over here? It looks huge. Is it just the image? Is it just like zoomed in or something?
Hey, you got so much bigger from the last time.
What the heck? Oh my god. Oh my god, it got so much bigger.
No.
Look, it's moving its leg. Oh my god. Look.
That's his hand up there. That's another arm right there.
That is so crazy.
That's an elbow right there. You see?
Oh, I see
like
it.
This.
And the legs crossed?
They might be. A lot of times they are. Yeah, they
Gotten
are.
so much bigger. Oh my god, gotten so... When I look at my belly, I'm like, I'm not showing at all. It's probably still tiny. That's huge.
This looks even further than 13 weeks.
That's what I was... I told you it was further.
Are you feeling any movement yet?
No. Oh. That's a little heartbeat?
Yeah.
Right here. Very fucking baby.
Yeah. It probably knows we're watching.
He's like me. He's trying to show off. He or she's trying to show off.
What
Yeah.
are you doing to me?
You never know.
You know, there's some women like how they go,
With a little tiny baby bump.
yeah, and then they like end up giving birth in the toilet because they didn't even know they were pregnant.
Wow, I'm sad.
Well, hopefully that won't be you.
Yeah.
I know, right?
The head's kind of tilted to the side a little bit.
Yeah.
Looking at us.
I can see the ribs big time standing
Yeah,
out.
here
Oh
and
my
here.
god.
There's an
And the
eye
little
socket
face.
there, and the nose and the mouth right there. You can't really see the other eye because of the way the head is.
Yeah.
And there's an arm there and an arm there, and you can kind of see the legs down there.
Yeah.
I mean, it's beautiful, but it's creepy.
What are you saying? My child is creepy? What's wrong with you?
No, just it in black and white.
He's trying to say cheese.
Oh, look. That's a big baby. I have to be way further than.
No, you look like you're about maybe 14 or 15 weeks, maybe.
So I could be finding out the gender sooner, right?
Let me see if I can.
Oh, wow.
Get
So
a
we
measure.
really don't have a lot of time. We need to get on it.
Yeah, it's measuring about 14 weeks.
14 weeks.
So we were 2 weeks off. They told me that I need to eat before I get my blood drawn so that I don't faint or anything like that. So we went to get Cece's and we ate there, and then we went to Target for a little bit and I got some Christmas bags because I did some Christmas shopping the other day, so I need to like wrap all of that up. And then we went to the house and we took a nap because I woke up at like 8 a.m. and I was super exhausted, and we just rescheduled to get my blood drawn because I do not want to do it today. I'm like terrified, but I'm probably just gonna get it done tomorrow when I'll be more like mentally prepared, and I'll eat and I'll rest and all of that good stuff. So that's what we're gonna do.
I'm eating chocolate right now.
So you got a chocolate tongue.
I got a chocolate tongue.
You got a chocolate tongue. Look at all your toys all over the
I
place.
know.
Noah,
What?
so we gotta tell you something.
Like what?
We got something to tell you.
Well, we have your dad here. Here, sit next to him.
Okay.
I know what.
So we want to show you something, okay?
This is what we're going to show him. Can you see it?
What kind of it?
Hold
Okay.
on. It's a secret. Are you ready?
Yeah.
What's that?
Daddy.
No.
Whitney.
No.
No. Guess what that is?
Who?
That's your new baby brother or baby sister.
I want it to be a brother.
I have a baby
Guess
in my
what?
belly.
Yeah, Brittany has a baby in her tummy right now.
Now?
Yeah.
Yeah.
She has a baby in her tummy.
Now?
Yeah.
Yeah. So
What do you-
you're gonna have a new sibling,
Yeah, you're gonna have a new brother or sister.
Nubby.
huh?
I want to name it Nubby.
Do you want to see a video of the baby moving?
Yeah, you wanna see a video?
Yeah.
Okay, wait. I'm gonna show you a video of the baby moving in my belly.
Who was it?
Huh?
Who was it?
It was my baby.
And whose name was it?
I don't know. We don't know if it's gonna be a boy or a girl, so we haven't came up with a name. Okay, you ready? Come here. Come look.
That looks huge. Is it just the image? Is it just like
You see the baby?
Yeah. Why is it really huge?
It's huge. It's a big baby, right?
No. Do you want Brittany to have baby twins?
Baby twins?
Yeah.
I don't know, cause
No.
you're already a handful.
I want it to be a baby twin.
You want Brittany to have baby twins?
Yes.
Why?
Yes.
Are you gonna help us take care of the twins?
Yeah.
Are you?
Yeah.
Which one are you? Do you want a twin boy and twin girl, or 2 boys, 2 girls? How do you want it?
I want it to be a boy and a girl in our tummy.
Okay. And what do you want to name them?
I want to name the girl Catching. And I want to name the boy. And I want to name the boy Toys.
Kitchen and toys.
Yes.
You're silly. Are you excited to have the babies
Yes.
or the baby? Because we're not having twins.
I want it to be twins.
No.
Why?
No, thank you.
Why?